All right, see Lindelof videos verifying a trig identity number 52. So I gave two clues for this, for solving this. Remember, this is the left-hand side proof, so we can't touch the right-hand side. We can only touch the left-hand side. The two clues I gave was Pythagorean identity, and then I said difference of squares. Looked at the right and the left. See cosine here, sine squared theta here. So, Andrew, what I decided to do is take this as a replacement value. So I'm going to declare to my professor that I'm taking a Pythag ID. I'm going to just rewrite and put in my ID. So I have 1 minus 1 plus cosine theta equals, and then of course the Pythagorean identity for this is 1 minus cosine squared theta. Not cosine squared theta minus 1, but this. So far so good? Second clue I gave was difference of squares, and this is a difference of squares. 1 is 1 squared. Here's the difference, the negative sign. Cosine squared is obviously a perfect square, so I'm going to rewrite that. Just call this DOS here, difference of squares. You don't need to say that to your professor, but it's still interesting. So it's 1 minus cosine theta, 1 plus cosine theta. If we multiply those two things back together, Andrew, we get this back, don't we? So that works out okay. I'm going to keep everything else in blue to show you where I am. 1 plus cosine theta. I have not touched the right-hand side. I'm just bringing it down. I'm just going to continue to bring that thing down, right? So maybe you can see how this is coming together now. Matt, you were right. 1 plus cosine theta is a factor at the bottom. 1 plus cosine theta is a factor. These things are being multiplied, so they're factors, not add-ins. So you're right. We can cancel those. That leaves us with 1 minus cosine theta is equal to cosine theta. Okay, you can see that this negative sign is this one, isn't it? Now I'm going to do what? Now it's just algebra 1, isn't it? Going to distribute this here and here. We get 1 minus 1. Negative times a negative is a positive. Cosine theta equals cosine theta. Your professor does not expect more of you than that. Good?